Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Okay. Have your seats, everybody. So, yesterday we have studied chapter number 4. What was the name of chapter 4? Nutty Tale of Nibbles. Nutty Tale of Nibbles. What have you studied in this chapter? Can you explain? Yes, Himansh? This story is about a family of squirrels. Good. How many members in the family, Riddhi? Stand up, Riddhi. How many members? 3 family members. Name? Baby Nibbles, Papa Nibbles, and Mama Nibbles. Good. Sit, Riddhi. Okay. So one day, what did the parent, means Mama Nibble and Papa Nibble, decide? What did they decide? They decided to teach their baby Nibbles. What did they want to teach their baby? They wanted to teach their baby that how to collect food for winters. How to collect food for winters. Okay. So they taught they taught her with the riddles, right? So what was the first riddle? Daksh, stand up. What was the first riddle? Groundnut is the answer of the first riddle. Means in the first riddle, he asked, I am a nut from the land. In the first riddle, he asked about a nut that grows in the ground. Okay, and they uh, dig to find that nut. They have to dig the ground to find that nut. And what was the answer? Ground nut. What was the answer? Ground nut. Okay, so Diksha, stand up. What was the second riddle? About which thing they asked in the second riddle? Walnut. About which thing? They asked about walnut. Okay, they asked that this is the nut grows on the trees very high. And what is the answer of this riddle? Walnut. Sit, Sudiksha. Mayan, stand up. What is the answer of third riddle? It is not a nut. It is a type of veggie grows into ponds. Yes. Yes, Imansh? Chestnuts. Water chestnuts. Okay. So this we have studied in the chapter, and in this way the baby nibbles learned that how to collect food for winters, because when she gives the answer of first riddle, she learned how to dig the ground to collect downnuts. In the second riddle, she learned how to climb the tree to get walnuts, and in the third riddle she learned that how to swim in the pond to collect chestnuts. Okay, so in this way she learns that how to collect food. Okay, so today we are going to do book exercise. Okay, so open page number 42, everybody. Open page number 42. Page number 42. Look at the exercise A. Match the columns. What is the exercise A? Match the columns. Okay, so look at the first word. Mayan, pay attention here. Open page number 42. Page number 42. This one, page number 42. Yes. Now everybody look at the exercise A. Put finger at exercise A. Where is exercise A? Point out. Very good. This is the exercise A. Speak METCH. Match the COLUMNS columns. Match the columns. Okay, match the columns. Means we have few words in this column, few words in this column. Now we will identify which word is perfectly suitable for the words which are given in this column. Okay, so look at the first word. First riddle. First riddle. Speak the word FIRST. Anaya, look in the book. Read the first word. FIRST. RIDDLE. Speak the spelling. R-I-D-D-L-E. Riddle. First, riddle. Now look at these options. On walnuts, on water chestnuts, on groundnuts. So, first riddle was about walnuts, water chestnuts or groundnuts. Give me the answer. Yashika, what is the answer? Groundnut. Very good. So we will match number 1 with number C. Don't match with lines. We will match with numbers. Okay. What is the number of this? 1. So we will write number 1 here. Yes. Okay. We will write number 1 here. Write fast. Write fast. Anaya, write properly. Erase and write properly. Write more big. Write more bigger, Anaya. Yes, number 3. Sorry, number 2. Read the word S-E-C-O-N-D. What is the word? Second. What is the word? Second. Second riddle. Okay. Second riddle was about on walnuts or on water chestnuts? Walnuts. So we will write number 2 here. And the third riddle was about water chestnuts. So we will write number 3 here. Do fast. Done. Number 3 here. Write number 3. Okay, come to the next exercise. These question exercise B is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So this exercise means question answers we will do in the notebook. Okay. There is no need to write in the book. We will write the answers in notebook. So look at the first question. Now you will give me the answers. Stand up, Daksh. A family of which animal lives in the forest? Yes, Daksh. A family of which animal lives in the forest? Yes, beta. Which animal? Squirrels. Very good. Clapping for Daksh. Two clapping for Daksh. Very good. Sit, Daksh. So what is the answer? Whose family? Which animal's family? A family of squirrels. Speak the answer. A family of squirrels. Speak louder. A family of squirrels. Beta, speak louder. I'm not listening your voice. Speak again. A family of squirrels lives in the forest. Now question number 2. What was the name of the game that the family of nibbles play? What was the name of the game? Riddhi, stand up. Yes, tell me. What was the name? We have studied in the chapter now. What was the name of the game? They played a game now. So what was the name of that game? Yes, Imanch? No. In this game, Papa Nibbles, Mama Nibbles asked riddles. So what is the name of game? The name of the game is Who Am I? What is the name of the game? Who Am I? Okay. Now question number 3. Who teaches baby Nibbles how to dig? Papa Nibbles or Mama Nibbles? Papa Nibbles. Papa Nibbles. Who teach the baby? Who teaches baby Nibbles how to dig? Speak the answer. Papa Nibbles. Speak louder. Papa Nibbles. Kushi, speak. Papa Nibbles. Next. Who teaches baby Nibbles how to climb trees? Papa Nibbles or Mama Nibbles? Mama Nibbles. Who teaches? Mama Nibbles. Who teaches baby Nibbles to climb on trees? Mama Nibbles. Mama Nibbles. Okay. Next. For which nut do we need to learn swimming? For which nut? Beta, we are asking the name of the nut. Okay, it is a kind of veggie. Which nut is found in the pond, in the water? Yes, water chestnut. Which nut? Water chestnut. Okay, now come to the exercise number C. Answer the following questions with reference to contest. Okay, read the first line. Come here, let us play a game. Come here, let us play a game. So what is the question number 1? Who says the above line? Yes, Sanskriti. Who says come here, let us play a game? किसने कहा था ये? पापा निबल्स और ममा निबल्स? Papa Nibbles. Clapping for Sanskriti. Papa Nibbles. Write the answer. Papa Nibbles. Write the answer here. Write the answer in front of the question. Write the answer in front of the question. Here. Write the answer here, Kushi. Just above this line. Write. Write fast. Devansh, write the answer here. Papa Nibbles. Write fast. Better write here. Papa Nibbles. Write down. Write down fast. Papa Nibbles. Very good. Daksh, draw a line, then write. Papa Nibbles. Yes, write down fast. Okay, now look at the question number 2. Question number 2. Yes. Who is us in the above line? Okay, in this line, Papa Nibble saying, come here, let us play a game. So, us is referred to the family. Refer to the family of squirrel. Okay. So, what is the answer? Write down here. Who is us in the above line? The family of squirrels. Write down the family of squirrels. Write it fast, beta. Write it fast. The family of squirrel. This is 4th chapter we are studying now. The family of squirrel. Write down fast. Done? Okay. Okay, beta, come to the next line. Come to the next line. Write it fast. You are a smart girl. Let us gather some crunchy walnuts. Okay, this is the line given in the chapter, right? We have studied it in the chapter now. So, who said this line? Who says the above line? Riddhi, stand up. Who says the above line? Papa Nibbles or Mummy Nibbles? Papa Nibbles or Mama Nibbles? Mama Nibbles. Who says? Mama Nibbles. Write down the answer. Mama Nibbles. Write down fast. And the second question is, who is the smart girl? Baby Nibbles. Who is the smart girl? Baby Nibbles. She knows all the answers now. So it means she is very smart because she knows the answers of all the riddles. So she is the smart girl. Baby Nibbles. Write down Baby Nibbles. Baby Nibbles. We have to write Nibbles also. Baby Nibbles. Okay. Write down fast. Write it down fast. Done? Okay. Now come to the exercise number D. Exercise D. Yes, look here. Which nut does baby nibbles collect after learning to? Okay. So there are few pictures given. She is baby nibbles. Daksh and Himansh. Yes, she is baby nibbles. Now look at this. This is a nut. What is the name of this nut? We need to climb to collect this nut. Climb the tree. Yes, tell me the name of this nut. Walnut. Write down. WALNUT. Walnut. Write it down. Write it down fast. Right here, Kushi. Okay, now look at the second picture. Right here, Kushi. Right here. Next one. Dig. So which nut? Look at the picture. Which nut is this? Which nut is this? This is a groundnut. Okay. We have to dig the ground to find the groundnut now. So this is groundnut. Write down GROUND. Ground. NUT. Nut. Groundnut. And look at the third picture. What is this? This is a chestnut. CHESTNUT. Water chestnuts. You can write directly chestnut. Okay? Write it fast. Done? Have you done exercise D? Do it fast. Himansh, it properly. Yes. Done, everybody? Turn the page. Now turn the page. Do fast. Okay, now next. Turn the page, beta. Yes, come to the next page. Look here, beta. There is an exercise given. Word wrap. Word wrap. Yashika, Himansh. Himansh, don't talk. Stand. Come here. Yes, look at the first. Can you guess the names of these sports games? Read the clues and take the correct answer. Okay, there are few lines given. We have to read the options and take the correct answer. Mayan, stand up. Stand up, Mayan. Read the first line. Look in your book and read. The players the players shoot an orange ball through a hoop. Okay, speak again. The players shoot an orange ball. Riddhi, look here. Throw a hoop. So what is the answer? Look at the picture. Which game is this? Football? Is it football? No. Is it basketball? Yes. Is it volleyball? No. This is basketball. Himansh, which game is this? Which game is it? Basketball. So we have to take in this box in front of number B. This is the correct answer. Have you done? Have you done? Okay. Now number 2. Come to number 2. Yes, read with me. Beta, speak louder, everybody. Read. The players. Beta, I want to hear your voice. Speak louder. The players run and kick the ball to make goals. So which game is this? Identify the game. Look here, he is using his leg. Tennis, swimming or football? Football. Option number C. Very good. Now come to the number 3. Daksh, stand up. Read number 3. Stand up, Daksh. Read. W-E-V. Play this using rackets and a shuttlecock. And a shuttlecock. So which game is this? Badminton, golf or cricket? Look at the picture. These are rackets. These are racket. This is a racket, and we use racket in the game badminton. So take at the option number A. Okay, take option number A. Okay. Now come to the next page. 4 number. Read. Read. 2 teams play this game. Look at the picture. You can easily identify which game is this. This game plays 2 teams. Okay, the 2 teams play this game. One team hits the ball and take runs. The other team runs and catches the ball. One team hit the ball and takes run, and other team do fielding. They catches the ball. Okay, so which game is this? Look at the picture. Hockey, tennis or cricket? Cricket. Take the option number C. Take option C. Come to number 5. For this, we need a swimsuit and goggles in the pool. Look at the picture. Which game is this? Swimming. Next, number 6. A board game for 2 players on black and white squares with different pieces. Tell me, Ludo, Scrabble or chess? Look at the picture. Chess. Very good. Done? Anaya, sit. Turn the page. Turn the page, beta. Yes. So, Diksha, sit properly. Yes. Come to the next page. Look here, beta. There are few words. We have to read these words. Say these words aloud, not the short and long sound of I. Okay. So, I says E. And I says E also. I can give small E sound and I can give long E sound. Look here. These are the examples of short E sound, and these are the examples of long I sound. Okay. I says E and I says I. Okay. Next. Yes. KIT. 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 Speak everybody. KIT. Put finger on the word and read. Put finger here. Read. Put finger here. Read. KIT. 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 FIT. Fit. E. We are speaking very short E. Very short E. Okay, we are not speaking long. Next, BIT. Bit. Speak now, Vyash. BIT. 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 CHIP. 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 Speak again. Now I am putting finger here. You will tell me which word is this. Speak. Speak louder. Kit. Speak again. Fit. Speak together. Fit. Devansh, speak. BIT. CHIP. Speak again. KIT. Fit. Bit. Chip. Now come to this column. These are the long I sound. FINAL. 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 Here I says E. short E, and here I says I, long I sound. Okay, speak again. CHILD, child. CHILD. Devan, speak. CHILD, child. LIGHT, light. LIME, lime. Okay, so these are the long I sound and these are the short E sound. Okay, come to next exercise. Exercise B. Look here. Speak the heading. Say these words aloud. Circle the words with the long I sound. Okay, now we have to read these words. If the word is giving long I sound, then we have to circle. If the letter I is giving E sound, means short E sound, then we will not circle. Okay? Yes, now tell me. SIP, sip. Is it long? Yeah, no? It is not long. It is a short E sound. CRIB, crib. Is it long? Is it long I sound? No. IDEA, idea. Is it long I sound? Yes. Circle it. These are sip, crib, and this is idea. Here we are saying I. Okay, we will found the word where we are saying sound I. Okay. Next, LIT, lit. Is it I sound? No. In this word, are we using I sound? No. Bicycle. Yes or no? Yes. Circle. By. Here we are using I sound. Long I. Next. Zip. Is it long? No. Zip. We are speaking it quickly. Zip. Wild. Yes. It has KIND. Kind. Yes. Circle these words. Circle these words. Okay, now look at the exercise C. Exercise C. Look here. Say these words aloud. Circle the words with the short E sound. In the exercise B, we have circled the word which are giving long I sound. And in the exercise C, we will circle the words which are giving short E sound. Okay. Now one by one you will read. Stand up, Himansh. Read this word. FRIDAY. Is it having short E sound? Friday. Speak again. It has long I sound. So we will not circle because we have to circle the words that, in which short E sound. MID, mid. Is it? Yes, Himansh. Do we circle it? Yes. It has short E sound. Manvendra, stand up. KID, kid. Yes. Stand up, Sanskriti. BEHIND, behind. No. Sit. Devan, stand up. DIP, dip. Yes. WIN, win. Mayan. Yes. Stand up, Kushi. FIND, find. No. Very good. Sit. Anaya, stand up. LIKE, like. No. Okay, so how many words? Mid, kid, dip, win. Speak again. Mid, kid, dip, win. Okay, these are short E sounds. Come to the next portion. This is the grammar portion. One and many. One and many. Singular, plural. Singular, plural. Okay, beta, come to the next page. Look at the picture carefully and count. We have to look at the picture and we have to count. Color the boxes that have more than one naming word. Now, we have to color the boxes that have more than one naming word. More than one. Okay, it can be 2, it can be 3. Okay, it can be 4. But more than one. If the box has more than one, we have to color. Okay, now take a single color. Take a single color, any color you can take. Take a single color, any color. Yes. Take a single color, beta. Any color you can take. Blue, yellow, red. Take one color only. Take only one color fast. Take out your colors. Yes, you can take. Okay, beta, now read it. One sun. One sun. Is this box having more than one? It is only one. In this box, there is only one thing, sun. It is only one. So we will not color it. We will not color it. हम इसे color नहीं करेंगे. Look at the next word. One slide. Look at the picture. There is only one slide. And what is written in the box? One slide. It is also singular. We will not color. Next, two trees. Is it more than one? Yes. So we have to color this box. Color it, two trees. Color it. Then four boys. Is it more than one? Yes. Color it. Come in. Then three girls. Is it plural? Yes. This is more than one. Three girls. Next, three flowers. Yes, it is also plural. Color this box. Color these boxes. Okay. Now look at the next exercise. Now I'm giving you homework. This homework you should do describing words. We have already studied about describing words in grammar. What are the describing words? That qualifies the nouns. Okay, that tell us something more about the naming words. So you have to do this exercise at home. Okay, thank you.